We're finishing up the Slingshot, mounting the amps now. We always use PVC because it's waterproof to mount the amps to. So we mount the amps to the PVC, not directly to the floor, and it also spaces it up in case water does get in there. It doesn't go into the amplifiers. So Leo's mapping out the wiring. There's our PVC sheet. There's our fuse distribution block. There's a ground distribution block. And we have the 804 on the other side, and here's the PVC sheet for that side. We're adding an auxiliary battery. The new 2020s do not have the battery here. This is where the battery was on the older Slingshots. So we've welded up a plate that we're going to mount here. So we're going to do our Group 34 battery here. Ran in parallel with the factory battery. It's under the hood. The factory battery is really small, so I wouldn't recommend trying an audio upgrade off that battery. Look at the itty bitty tiny battery that they have in these Slingshots. So it can't really handle much in the way of aftermarket accessories. So we're gonna leave ours in parallel with that one. Our DSP harness is complete, right off the back of the factory radio. Nice and neat, all the wiring looks like factory. All the wiring is ran on the factory frame rail, so nothing sticks out from the bottom. Everything is Tessa taped and wrapped in split plastic loom. Nice and neat the way it should be. Exiting out to the back. We're all wired up, grounded to the frame, right there. Nice ground right there. Soldered the heat shrunk. Grounded again to the frame here. Fuse in the front, fuse in the back. This protects the wire leaving the battery. Then we have another fuse holder inside that protects the amplifiers. Love these Ground Zero subwoofers.